Please be advised that the images and information you are about to encounter could be disturbing to some audiences. On November 22nd, 2024, LAPD officers from the Northeast Division responded to a distress call.
I'm calling for my son.
Involving a 50-year-old man reportedly armed with a handgun.
Yeah, there's gunshots and somebody yelling.
His mother had alerted authorities after he called her, expressing he loved her and he is saying goodbye.
Carlos, you're not in trouble or anything. We just want to check up how you are. He's got a gun in his hand.
This incident exemplifies the complex challenges law enforcement faces when addressing mental health crises within communities.
How can I help you?
Yes, my son, he just called me about a couple minutes ago. He works for the county of Los Angeles. He's one of those home responders that goes around the homeless and tries to get them housing and helps them. Well, he just called me. He has a gun, and he said he's going to kill himself. He said that he called me to tell me goodbye and that he loves me. And I don't know where he's at right now, but I have his phone number. If there's anything you can help me with.
Okay, and he didn't tell you where he's at?
He didn't tell me where he's at. He told me he's at work, but he's sobbing, he's crying, he's just very distraught, and he just called me to tell me that he loves me and that goodbye. And I found out he has a gun, so I'm so worried.
Okay.
Once we got on the phone with the mother of the person in question, she just got a call from a family member saying that the male is in the city of Eagle Rock and he has a gun on him.
Okay, and then you got some information from other family member?
Yes, from the mother who was called by a cousin.
Yeah, there's gunshots and somebody yelling on the corner of La Rota and Tenshaw. Oh, the police are here now.
Okay, all right. Do you want to talk to the police or do you want to be anonymous?
No, they're already, looks like they're surrounding this area.
Okay.
I think.
Hey, Carlos, go ahead, stand up. He's right. He's sitting down again. Carlos, it's LAPD. Your cousin was calling. Carlos, you're not in trouble or anything. We just want to check up how you are.
All right, en route to the rear station.
Carlos, go ahead, stand up.
Unlock the door, bro. Comes out, since you guys are front, push up, and arrest him, take him to custody.
He doesn't have anything in his hands right now. Just a small dog that he's petting.
Hey, Carlos, it's LAPD, sir. Hey, you're not in trouble. We're just here to talk to you and here to check on you to make sure you got everything you need. You need some help, we'll help you out today, okay? When you just step out slowly with your hands where we can see them. No one's gonna hurt you, okay?
Can you see him? Yeah, I can see him. Where's he at? He's still sitting on the front porch. I don't know if you can see the tiny dog, but he's right behind it.
He's still on the front porch.
He's still sitting. He's reaching for something, I can't tell.
Hey, Carlos, we see you on the porch, sir. Do me a favor, stand up. Just keep your hands where we can see them, okay? Stand up slowly, keep your hands up, and walk out towards the street.
He keeps reaching for something towards the door.
Hey, did we get a unit for Central or no?
Not yet, bro. I started broadcasting.
He's got a gun in his hand. He's got a gun. He's got a gun in his hand. He's putting it behind his back.
What's that?
He's got a gun. He's behind his back.
Okay. Hey, I'll put out.
Hey, Carlos.
Pop the truck, dude.
I can see it, yeah.
It's kind of a long range, so we're going to use this guy.
Carlos, I saw that gun behind your back. Don't reach for it.
Hey, 95, hold the frequency. We do have a 450 man on with the gun.
He's right in the front. He's right in the front. He's right in the front. Front balcony. I can't see him no more.
The distraught man discharged his gun at the officers, prompting them to return fire. The suspect moved out of sight. Officers requested help and established a perimeter.
Carlos, in the Los Angeles Police Department. You come out with your hands up, drop all your weapons.
Hey, this guy comes back out. Listen to me real quick. This guy comes back out. We will have discipline, okay? No contagious gunfire. My UPR operator is going to take that shot if he has to. Do you understand? Moses, he still has to meet the criteria for deadly force, okay? But you are my designated cover officer. The rest of us have discipline, okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Let's not have let's keep this clean.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Hey, Carlos, answer your phone. You were talking to somebody on the phone. Oh, I understand you're injured.
He's moving.
Oh, we can see you moving around. So why don't you move out to the street and we can get you some help? You know, before you pass out. If you pass out there, it might take us a while to come and get you. If you can at least make an effort, to get out to the sidewalk and we can see that you're unarmed, we'll come get you and we'll help you. But we need you to do that. We need you to sit up or show your hands, put your hands up in the air, show us that you're not armed. And then if you can, pull yourself up to a seated position or even crawl if you have to and make it out towards the street, and then we can meet you halfway there, bub. We'll get you some help. I can see you moving, so I know your body can move.
Tell him to take him down.
So just go ahead and start working yourself out towards the front yard. If you just get out in the front yard off that porch, we can probably help you. Okay, let's do that before you pass out, and then we're not going to be able to help you. We need you to move out away from the house. It'll be real simple. Just move out away from the house, get in the yard where the helicopter can see you, and then we'll come up and we'll help you. Okay, we got an ambulance. There you go. Yeah, good job. There we go. Yeah. Okay, just start moving out towards the front yard. Okay, and with nothing in your hand, we got an ambulance waiting for you, bub. We don't want you to be injured anymore. Your house is surrounded. We have police dogs out here. We don't want you to get bit by a police dog. You've already been injured. We don't want to inflict any more pain on you. So we just surrender now. Come out to the street, and you won't be injured. We'll just get you some help. But you gotta move. You gotta start moving out to the street. Use the railing. Use the cars. Work your way out to the street. What do you say?
He's just still sitting up and on the phone.
More than 1 hour after the officer-involved shooting, the suspect eventually re-emerged but refused to surrender. The LAPD's use of verbal negotiation and canine units reflects ongoing efforts to de-escalate volatile situations, but he continued to ignore their commands.
Hey, don't let him into the car. Stop. Yeah. I got the long arm. I got it. So go to the dog. Go out. Watch the dog. Let him control the dog. Help me with the hands. Yes, sir. He's so tough. Go out. Here you go out. Here. Slip on the shirt. Yeah, he's just biting the shirt. Let me see your hand.
Investigators recovered a semi-automatic handgun, an empty magazine, and 4 discharged casings. He received gunshot wounds during the incident and was sent to the hospital for medical treatment and was later booked with the following charges: 1 count of attempted murder of a peace officer, 6 counts of assault with a firearm on a peace officer, 1 count of possession of an unregistered handgun. As with all officer-involved incidents, the use of force is subject to ongoing investigation. Thanks for watching. We're committed to raising public awareness about the real risks that can arise in everyday settings and to support actions that promote safer decisions and better outcomes for all. If you found this video informative, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Your support helps us continue sharing real-world insights and critical moments like this one.